morning, Scots. I'm Bree.
Happy Friday and welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Kim.
Let's get into some announcements for today. The SpongeBob musical is happening today in the Wall, starting at 7 p.m. General admission is $15 and $10 for students with ASB stickers and children under 12 years old. Remember, if you can't make it tonight, there will be a show tomorrow at 7 p.m. as well.
Congratulations to Chelsea Aguilar for being awarded the Poderosa Award this school year. And here are some pictures from the end of the year celebration for Poder.
Prom bids have gone up in price, starting at $60 with ASB and $65 without. Get your tickets today because next week prices will go up again. Get your tickets during lunch or after school today. Now for a quick message from our PAC team.
Listen up, Scots.
Hello, Scots. We want to discuss a very sensitive topic, social media. Lately, there have been some negative posts that make our classmates, school, and community look bad, and this is just not good. Social media can be fun, but it can also be a dangerous place. To protect yourselves from being exploited, bullied, disrespected, or tricked, it is important to follow some simple rules for social media safety.
Do not post or share messages, pictures, or videos that you would not want the world to see. You cannot control how information is shared by those who see it, even if you post it privately or later delete it. Remember, that can never permanently erase something that has been published on the internet. You could face consequences later on in school, college interviews, or job applications, for example.
Play it safe and only accept friend requests from your real-world friends. Do not agree to meet strangers offline and never give away your phone number or address.
Remember that online communication does not allow you to tell how others are feeling, as you cannot see their facial expressions or hear their voice. Make sure that what you write cannot be misinterpreted. Be respectful of others' posts, even if you don't agree with them. If you say something to someone's face, don't say it online.
If you are being cyberbullied, reach out. Tell an adult you trust, such as a parent, teacher, or school counselor, if you or anyone you know is being cyberbullied. Do not delete any communications. Save all emails and screenshots so you can show an adult. Block the person who is harassing you and make copies of communications if needed.
So Scots, let's make social media safe for all. If you see a negative post, please report it. Don't spread it or contribute to it. Together we can all make a difference. Go Scots and plaid up.
Welcome back.
It's sports time. Take it away.
What's going on, Scots? I'm Julian Medina.
Welcome to Sports. I'm Peter Parra.
We got some announcement for you guys.
First, Highland Cheer tryouts are just around the corner. Here's some important dates to remember.
Don't wait till the last minute. Fill out the paperwork and get it submitted ASAP.
Follow Highland Scots Cheer Team for more details.
Second, if you would like to help out with the Lean Crew next year, stop by Mr. Valdez's room at 14J with any questions.
Third, promposal contest is happening right now.
You need to just send a picture of your proposal to the IG account of the ASB at HHS Scots.
The contest ends April 25th, next Thursday.
Let's go back with Kim and Bree.
Thank you, guys.
Here's a quick message about entering and leaving the campus.
Hey Scots, I'm Hannah. Here's a quick reminder about entering and leaving the school to make it easier for everyone here at Highland. Before school starts, you could enter the campus at either bus loading zone nearby the FFA buildings or Southgate parking lot near the 14 and 15 buildings. Don't leave through the front admin office during school hours, only if someone is picking you up and you have permission with the attendance office. However, once school has started, you could enter through the front admin office. That should be the only way to enter campus. I want to repeat this message: don't leave through the front office without permission. Let's go back with Kim and Bree.
Thank you, Hannah.
Let's go with Savannah.
On the go.
Savannah on the go.
Hello, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. Today, I promised Miss Carlin that I would ask the students of Highland what their favorite book is, and we're gonna do just that today. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Julia.
Nice to meet you. What's your favorite book?
Perks of Being a Wallflower.
Thank you. All right, let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Peyton.
And what is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Twilight.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
Camila Martinez.
And what is your favorite book?
Metamorphosis by Frank Kafka. It's a really good book.
Valid. All right, thank you for time. Hello, who am I speaking with?
Carlin, the librarian.
Nice to meet you. And what is your favorite book?
My favorite book I've read recently has to be The Fellowship of the Rings from Lord of the Rings.
Valid. All right.
Good. I am a hobbit.
Thank you for your time. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Pete Parra, Highland High School.
And what is your favorite book?
Favorite book, Catcher in the Rye, J.D. Solinger.
All right, thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Remember, Scots, the SpongeBob musical is happening tonight at 7 p.m.
Check out this clip from the show.
We're best friends and this is the friend. We're best friends and this is the friend.
Boys, this is real sweet and all, but if we don't hurry, the town's gonna be toast. Right. Let's move, team. Boys, we have a problem.
Thank you for watching today's show.
And always remember to
plaid up.